We got to change the air filter in this 110. The airbox cover is right behind the front fender. There's 4 8mm bolts, 2 on each side. You want to clean your air filter every few rides. I'm going to oil up this new air filter. Having multiple filters so that when I clean them and oil them, I can get more than one done. That's all there is to it. Make sure you got good oil on the foam filter. And there's 4 8mm bolts. And you're done.